This is a professional versatile liquid filling production line. The equipment can be designed to be either rotary or linear type. It is customizable according to different bottle shapes, such as round, jar, square, test tube, special shaped, etc. It is suitable for high-end daily chemical, cosmetics, pharmaceutical, food, agrochemical, and other industries, like syrup, tincture, liquor, spray, glue, ink, perfume, liquid mosquito coil, and creams and lotions, including lip gloss, foundations, mascaras, liquid eyeliner, foam cleansers, roll-on dropper essential oils, nail polish, etc., as well as many other liquid products packaging. The whole production process, from bottle loading, bottle cleaning, negative pressure filling, explosion-proof, automatic stopper spray nozzle feeding, automatic inner-outer cap feeding, to automatic cap pressing screwing, etc., can be customized. The production line can also be connected to labeling machine, cartoning machine, encasing machine, palletizing robot, wrapping machine, etc., for the downstream equipment according to requirements. More details, please contact me.